Younghwa,
Huh?
isn't that one of our trucks?
Looks like it. How the hell come they're ahead of us?
Oh, whoever it is isn't here.
Must have gone to take a leak.
No visa. Yugoslavia, visa.
What? Oh, what's the matter?
We want a visa from here.
We don't issue here.
We're very busy. All we need to do is to cross the border.
But you need a visa to get to the border.
Yeah, well, ask him where to get it. Go on, ask.
Where can we get a visa?
You have to go Ministry of Justice, not here.
Thanks, asshole. Where the hell is that, do you suppose?
You gotta have a visa.
Where'd you get it?
Back in bloody Vienna. Had to beg the Iraqi embassy to get me one. Gave me 24 hours. Not gonna do much sightseeing in Yugoslavia, are we?
We are very busy. Please give us some diesel fuel.
In this country, you need to have a ticket for diesel fuel.
I don't understand.
If you haven't got a ticket, you can't get diesel.
Here,
Money,
money.
son.
Look, I got
No,
lots of it.
No,
hey,
please.
hey, don't just walk away. Look, I got money.
You got to have ticket. You need a ticket.
Shit. Looks like they actually don't take hard cash.
That's a new story, isn't it?
Nerds.
Hey, you refuse cash, you're crazy. Younghwa, I'm sorry. I gotta take a leak. You talk sense into the guy. Relax, huh?
Where can I get a ticket?
Oh, do they have piddle police here? Oh.
I give you this ticket. You fix my car.
Hey, Younghwa!
Yeah?
I want something.
What is it?
This ticket. I give you if you fix my car. This ticket.
You give it to us?
if you fix my
Okay.
car.
Oh.
Can you see anything there?
Battery leads is all it looks like.
Well, go for it then.
Yes, sir.
All right, finished yet?
All right, try it. Turn the engine on.
Here goes.
Hey, all right.
Hey, give me the ticket. That's great. Come on.
Yeah.
Hey.